Hi, everyone. Hi, Zara. It's so good to see you today.
Hi, Blake. Hi, friends. We're really happy you're here with us.
Yes, welcome. We hope you feel relaxed and comfortable.
Before we begin, let's tell you our names. I'm Zara.
And I'm Blake. We're here to help you learn English in a very simple, easy way.
Today, we want to talk about a very friendly topic, your family.
Yes, talking about your family in English is super useful. You use it when you meet new people, when you travel, or when you make friends.
But many learners feel shy about this. They think, oh no, what if I say it wrong?
Don't worry. Really, don't worry. You can learn, you can practice, you can do it.
We'll go slow. We'll use simple English.
Before we start, let's warm up. Zara, how was your morning?
Oh, it was nice. I talked to my mom on the phone. I miss her. She lives far away, but hearing her voice made me smile.
That's sweet. I saw my brother this morning. He made me laugh. He always does something silly.
Family can give us love and support.
Yes. And you, do you talk about your family in English?
Maybe you do, maybe you don't yet. But today, we'll help you feel more confident.
So take a deep breath, relax, and let's start this easy, friendly conversation together.
So, Zara, maybe we can start by talking about our parents. It's a simple topic, but it feels warm, right?
Yes, very warm. Parents are special, and using easy English to talk about them is a great start.
True. So, tell me, Zara, what is your mom like?
My mom is very kind. She loves cooking. When I was a child, she always made warm soup for me. I can still smell it in my mind.
That sounds so sweet. Warm soup from your mom? That feels like love.
Yes, it does. And your parents, Blake?
My dad is funny, very funny. He tells little jokes all the time. When I was a kid, I didn't always get the joke. I would just laugh because he laughed.
That's cute. Does he still tell jokes now?
Oh, yes. Even yesterday, he told me a joke on the phone. I laughed again. Some things never change.
I like that. My dad is quiet, very quiet. He doesn't talk a lot, but when he talks, he says something kind. I remember he used to help me with homework, a very slow and patient.
Parents can be different, but they still give us love in their own ways.
Yes. And now, when we talk to our parents as adults, the feeling is a little different.
True. We talk more like friends sometimes.
And you, our listeners, can you describe your parents in simple English? Maybe think of one nice memory.
Yes, start small, just one easy sentence. You can do it.
Zara, maybe we can talk about siblings now. Brothers and sisters are a big part of family life.
Yes, I like this topic. So, do you have any brothers or sisters, Blake?
I do. I have one younger brother. Younger means he is smaller than me. He was always running around when we were kids.
That sounds fun. Did you two play a lot?
Oh, yes, we played all the time. We also fought sometimes, little kid fights. But we always became friends again fast. He makes me laugh even today.
I love that. I have one older sister. Older means she is a little bigger than me. I looked up to her a lot when I was young.
Did you two get along well?
Most of the time, yes. Sometimes we argued about small things, like clothes or TV, but we also shared many happy moments. She helped me with school. She told me stories when I felt sad.
That is sweet. Do you miss her?
Yes, I miss my sister. She lives far away now, so I don't see her often, but when we talk, I still feel close to her.
Siblings can give us strong feelings. Love, fun, even little arguments.
Yes, and you, friends, do you have a brother or a sister? Try saying one simple sentence. I have one sister, or I have two brothers.
Easy, simple, clear. You can do it. Now, maybe we can talk about extended family. Extended family means grandparents, cousins, uncles, and aunts.
Yes, extended family is big and warm. So, Blake, do you have a big extended family?
Not very big. I have one aunt, one uncle, and two cousins. My cousins are the children of my aunt and uncle. We all meet on holidays.
That sounds nice. What do you do together?
We eat a big meal. We talk a lot. My uncle always tells the same story every year. Every single year.
Does everyone know the story already?
Yes, but we still smile because it feels like a family tradition.
I love that. My extended family is larger. I have many cousins, maybe too many to count. And my grandparents always made everyone feel welcome.
Grandparents are special. Grandparents means your grandmother and grandfather.
Yes, my grandmother made the best cookies. Every holiday, she baked them, and all the cousins ran to the kitchen.
That is such a sweet memory.
Very sweet. Family gatherings, even simple ones, can make us feel close.
Friends, try saying these words slowly. Aunt, uncle, cousin, grandmother, grandfather.
Nice and easy.
Think of one small tradition your extended family has.
Even a tiny one is special.
Zara, maybe we can talk about our family's personalities now, what they are like.
Yes, that's a great idea. Using simple adjectives is very helpful. Words like kind, funny, quiet, friendly. Very easy, very clear.
Right. For example, my family is very friendly, really friendly. We like to help each other. My mom is kind. My dad is funny. My brother is loud, so loud sometimes.
Loud brothers are common, I think.
Yes, maybe.
My family is a little quiet. Quiet but warm. My sister is calm. My dad is quiet but caring. And my mom is kind, very kind. She always listens when I talk.
That feels nice.
It does. And our habits, our daily things, also show our personality.
Yes. For example, in my family, we call each other every weekend. Every weekend, almost the same time. We talk about simple things. Food, weather, small news.
That's sweet. In my family, we send little messages, just small texts like, "How are you?" or "I miss you." Simple but full of love.
I like that.
And we often eat together when we meet. Eating together feels warm.
Yes. My mom loves when we sit at one table.
These small habits, calling, texting, eating, they show love.
So, friends, think of one adjective for your family. Kind, funny, quiet, friendly,
And think of one small habit you share,
easy English.
and full of heart.
Zara, I think family traditions are so interesting. Even simple ones feel special.
I agree. Traditions can be small, but they stay in our hearts.
In my family, we have a Sunday breakfast tradition. Every Sunday, we eat together. Pancakes, coffee, and warm smiles. It's simple, but it feels good.
That sounds lovely. Sunday breakfast. Very cozy. What about your family?
Well, we have a small tradition, too. Every New Year, we take a walk together. Just a slow, calm walk. We look at the sky. We talk about our hopes.
That is beautiful. A walk can feel peaceful.
Yes. And we also have a little weekend routine. On Saturdays, my sister and I used to clean the house together. Not fun, but we laughed a lot.
Cleaning with laughter. I like that.
Do you have any fun or surprising traditions, Blake? My uncle always wears the same bright red sweater on holidays. Very bright, very red.
That must look funny.
It is, but now it's a family joke. A tradition, really.
Traditions can be silly, calm, big, or small. They all bring people together.
Friends who are watching, do you have a special family tradition?
Even a tiny one?
Think about it.
And maybe say it out loud in simple English.
We eat together.
We walk together.
Easy and true. Zara, maybe we can help our friends learn how to talk about their families when they meet new people.
Yes, that's very useful. When you meet a new friend or a new coworker, family is an easy topic.
A simple place to start is with parents. You can say, I have a mom and a dad, or my mom is kind, or my dad is funny. Very short, very clear.
Yes. And then you can talk about siblings. You can say, I have one sister, or I have two brothers. If they are older or younger, you can add, she is older, or he is younger.
Easy patterns, easy sentences. You don't need long stories.
And remember, it's okay if your English is not perfect. Really, it's okay. People understand. People are kind.
Yes, they are. When I first talked about my family in English, I was nervous. I worried I might say something wrong.
Same for me. But over time, I learned that simple English works. Clear, small sentences are great.
You can also share one tiny detail. For example, my mom loves cooking, or my brother makes me laugh.
Or, my sister lives far away. These are simple lines, but they help new people understand you.
And when someone asks you more questions, just answer slowly.
Yes, take your time.
Friends, you can do this.
Start small
Speak with confidence.
and enjoy meeting new people.
Now let's learn some simple vocabulary. Just a few easy words.
Yes, very easy. And remember, it's okay if this is new for you.
The first word is parent. A parent is your mom or your dad.
Example, my parent is kind.
The next word is sibling. A sibling is your brother or your sister.
Example, I have one sibling.
Another word is cousin. A cousin is the child of your aunt or uncle.
Example, my cousin is funny.
The next word is relative. A relative means any person in your family.
Example, I visited my relatives.
And our last word is tradition. A tradition is something your family does again and again.
Example, we have a family tradition.
Say each word slowly at home.
Yes, practice helps.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
So, friends, let's take a moment to remember what we learned today.
Yes, let's keep it simple. We talked about parents, your mom, your dad, and how to describe them with easy words.
We talked about siblings, your brothers and sisters, and sharing small stories.
We talked about extended family too, cousins, aunts, uncles, grandparents.
And we talked about habits and traditions, The small things families do together.
We know speaking English can feel scary sometimes.
But small steps are okay.
You can do it.
Really, you can.
Think about one thing you learned today.
Just one small thing.
Hold it in your heart.
And practice when you can.
And now, friends, our question of the day.
It's very simple. Who is in your family?
You can answer with something easy like, I have one sister.
Or, I live with my parents.
Write your answer in the comments.
Don't worry about mistakes, just try.
We're happy to read your words.
Thank you for staying with us today, friends.
If you liked this lesson, please like the video and subscribe.
Your comments help us a lot, so feel free to write.
Keep practicing,
English takes time.
but you can do it.
We believe in you.